meant to be just a dot, but it is languages we know and those we don't. It is points that place us on lands that we have mapped and stars that we hope to reach but only twinkle in our eyes. But isn't the eye made of a dot called the cell, and the detergent of compounds that are dots, and our homes made of bricks of clay whose grains are also dots?
Hi, I am Siddhi and I am a visual communication designer, and I have designed this workshop series on art integration, keeping in mind all the communication that happens in the classroom and with the aim to make that communication more visual. And we are beginning with the beginning of everything, the dot.
There are those around the world who saw the dot in so many different ways, like Raza and Bhuribai from India, Roy Lichtenstein from the US, Yayoi Kusama from Japan, and Robert Campbell Jr. from Australia.
In each session of this series, you will be introduced to a new form of art, and we will together build unique and imaginative art integrated lessons. At the end of the series, we promise to leave you with a new perspective on education, art integration, and dots. I look forward to seeing you at the sessions to spot more dots with me.